Hello, welcome to my channel Tech by Sensei Kushal. Today we'll see how to set up Private GPT where you can interact with your document locally. So before going forward, let's understand what is generative AI. So generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that focuses on creating new and original content. Unlike traditional AI systems that are designed to analyze data or solve specific problems, generative AI is capable of producing new text, images, music, code, and other type of media. It uses advanced machine learning models, often neural networks, to learn patterns, style, and structures from existing data and then generate new content that mimics or expands upon what it has learned. Next, let's dive into Private GPT. So, what is Private GPT? Private GPT refers to a customized version of GPT, generative pre-trained transformer model, designed to operate in a secure and private environment. Unlike public AI models that may process data on external servers, Private GPT ensures that all data remains within the controlled environment, such as organizations' premises or private cloud. This approach addresses privacy concerns and prevents sensitive information from being exposed to the external system. So let's see how to set up the Private GPT. So this is the GitHub link by Xylon AI Private GPT. I'll share this link with you in the video description. So from here, you can clone this repo. Here in this repo, you have this README file. In the README file, you will see this UI here. Scroll down a little bit. There is this documentation. Click on this documentation. In the quick start guide, you will see like how to set up it real quick using Docker desktop. If you don't know how to install Docker, you can go to this link, or I also have made this video for Docker desktop installation on Windows system. You can review that as well. So here you can clone this repo, and setup for Ollama setup will use the ollama-cpu version. So this Docker Compose up you can directly use without profile, or you can use the ollama-cpu profile. So I'll use this one. Okay. I have already cloned this repository here. So let me open the command prompt or terminal window. Here you can directly write Docker Compose profile up. So it will start pulling up the images. I already pulled up these images into the system, but for you it may take around 5 to 10 minutes depending on the internet connectivity you have. So once this process is done, you can see this application unicorn running on 8001. So we'll go to this, we'll search for localhost 8001. So the application is launched within a minute. So for demo, I have already put this weather.txt file uploaded here. If you want to upload file, you can click on this upload and then you can select from the system, you can upload your file here. These are the four modes which you can use with this Private GPT. So from README file, I'll show you. So this is the reg mode where it will only get the responses from whatever context you have provided. So if there are 5 files, it will not go beyond that 5 file. And if you ask something which is not present, it will tell you like it is not present and it is out of its scope. For basic mode, the basic mode is the direct LLM mode. Whatever LLM model we have used, it will interact with that model. Your file will be ignored. This summarize section mode, sorry. So this summarize mode, it will give you summary. If you ask something which you want as a summary and from all the files which you have uploaded, it will give you the summary in the context, whichever prompt you have given it. Okay, so let's see. Let me ask why rain occurs. So it is taking some time because I have uploaded this file. So it will create the chunks of the data and store it in the vector database. Then it will fetch it. So for first, like if you are reading it from the first time, it will take some time. Then after it will work as seamless system. So you can see it start writing the response. So this is the response it get. You can try it by yourself. Let me know in the comment box if you have any question or issue. Feel free to ask. I'll try to respond it. Thank you.